Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So I have finally released this pick and place machine, and then I just ship out some of the machines. So there are something. The first thing is to basically to mount the machine. So when you first receive the machine, so this head will be off. So we need to mount the head basically to the slider in the back. So there are actually 6 screws I have included in the back. So there are 2 screws. There are 4 screws actually for mounting to the slider. So you can see here there is 1 screw and the second one, and on the other side there are also another 2. So basically, you can when you receive you can just mount those 4 screw first, and maybe mount the one side and then the other side, and then of course on the back there is also another plastic part which connect to the belt. So you can see here. So these are the plastic part. So for this one, you also there are 2 longer screws. So the screw hole could be here, or it could be on the other side. I can remove this one, or it could be here, depend on different versions. So if it's here, then you can just unscrew, or if it's here, then it's the same. So these 2 are actually mounted to the plastic part on the back. So also on the other side, it's the same. So you can basically mount those 2 as well. So after the sixth screw has been screwed in, then this is ready to use. And then you can put in this nozzle tip adapter, and then put a screw here. So this is like a M3 screw, so you can basically like fix the nozzle tip adapter. So with this, then it's done. So the machine basically ship out in the way that the X bridge and then this frame is actually connected, and you also have the camera and the calibration fiducia, and also the nozzle tip station. And then the only thing you need to mount is this one. And then if you want to customize later on, here this is basically the camera holder, and then there are 2 screws here. So you can basically unscrew those 2, and then you can remove it. But then inside here there is also an LED. There's also an LED. You can basically take those out and unscrew this screw to get the camera out, and then you can change the design or print this one, and then you can basically mount another one. So yeah, so this is basically the process. And also at the back here, there is also a mounting. There is also like a cover, so you basically can print it out and put it in, and then it will basically make sure the LED is inside here. Yeah, that was pretty much how to mount it when you receive it. I'll make some more video on how to configure this one.